Percentage of Muslim population in different countries in the world. Indonesia 12.7%, Pakistan 11.1%, India 10.9%, Bangladesh 9.2%, Nigeria 5.3%, Egypt 4.9%, Iran 4.6%, Turkey 4.6%, Algeria 2.7%, Sudan 1.9%, Iraq 1.9% total population, Morocco 2%, Ethiopia 1.8%, Afghanistan 1.8%, Saudi Arabia 1.6%, China 1.6%, Yemen 1.5%, Uzbekistan 1.7%, Nigeria 1%, Russia 1%, Tanzania 1%, Tanzania 0.8%, Mali 0.8%, Syria 1%, Malaysia 1.1%, Senegal 0.8%, Kazakhstan 0.5%, Dr. Congo 0.1%, Burkina Faso 0.6%, Ivory Coast 0.5%, Tunisia 0.6%, Somalia 0.6%, Guyana 0.5%, Jordan 0.4%, Azerbaijan 0.5%, Chad 0.4%, Philippines 0.45%, Cameroon 0.4%, Tajikistan 0.4%, Libya 0.4%, Sierra Leone 0.3%, France 0.3%, Kenya 0.2%, Uganda 0.3%, Guyana 0.2%, Turkmenistan 0.3%, Germany 0.2%, Kyrgyzstan 0.3%, United Arab Emirates 0.2%, Palestine 0.2%, United Kingdom 0.2%, Malawi 0.1%, Mauritania 0.2%, Mozambique 0.3%, Lebanon 0.2%, United States 0.2%, Cambodia 0%, Thailand 0.2%, Italy 0.1%, Eritrea 0.1%, Madagascar 0%, South Sudan 0%, Oman 0.2%, Myanmar 0.1%, Kuwait 0.2%, Sri Lanka 0.1%, Gambia 0.1%, Herzegovina 0.1%, Albania 0.1%, Togo 0.1%, Qatar 0.1%, Israel 0.1%, Nepal 0.1%, Burundi 0%, Spain 0.1%, Canada 0.1%, Bahrain 0%, South Africa 0%, Liberia 0%, Netherlands 0.1%, Belgium 0%, Central African 0%, Bulgaria 0%, Djibouti 0.1%. It was a list of the all Muslim population in the world division. Out of these, some countries have the Muslim communities, but they haven't actual percentage of worldwide.